Hello legends!
Hey guys!
We've got ourselves a new toy.
Ooh, look at this baby! We have the Osmo Action by DJI and we're going to be testing out this camera today and seeing if it's the best holiday camera. It's the first time we've ever done anything like this and we are so excited! Hi!
We got a camera.
Ooh. Okay, so we've got this little box here, I'm guessing with all the accessories that it comes with.
There's a mount.
Got a mount, so that'll be really fun to play with today.
We'll use him.
Yeah, we've got a charging cable, a mount clamp,
A little bolt thing to hold the camera on.
another mount, and a little box for the battery, and some instructions.
We've been super excited for this camera to come out from DJI. It's the first action camera that they've produced. It's got some interesting key features, and one of those things is the rock steady electronic image stabilization, and that's basically using the camera, it's as if you have it in a gimbal, so everything should be nice and smooth, so look forward to testing that out.
The key feature that I noticed straight away is that it's got an extra screen on the front here, so you can see yourself while you're filming it yourself.
Which would be good because as us as video bloggers, we walk around looking at the camera by ourselves a fair bit.
So I'm really interested to see how this looks and works.
So this bad boy shoots in 4K up to 60 frames per second as well. Ooh. It's durable, it's waterproof up to 11 meters.
We're going to take it out for a test run today and show you all the features and let you guys see the image quality. And you can have a bit of an adventure with us as well because it's going to be a pretty fun day.
It's going to be a day out in Phuket.
All right, let's go.
Pretty wild day.
Alright, so what do you want to do first? We're taking up to the big Buddha,
yeah? Let's go to the big Buddha.
Yeah, okay. Awesome!
A cool feature about this is that it's got voice control. Start recording.
Oh my god.
Back to 40. This bike ain't very good.
We made it, we're at the big Buddha. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so the first feature that I want to talk about on this camera is the rock steady feature. So this is an electronic image stabilization. So it's like having a gimbal on your camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run up these stairs here and see what happens. So what we're looking for is I'm bouncing around, the camera's bouncing around, but the footage looks nice and clear and crisp and it's not bouncing or shaking. That's what we're looking for. So I'm like literally going to run up these stairs and see what it looks like. Here we go, rock steady, come on. How does it look? Is the camera bouncing? My favorite feature is the dual screen. If I push this button here, it flips the screen over and so I can see myself here on the front. So I can film myself and frame myself perfectly. Because sometimes you film yourself and you think you're in the screen and then you look back at the footage and you have to delete it and start again because it wasn't framed properly. So this is perfect for vloggers if you want to film yourself on your travels. So we're up on the top of the hill overlooking this big beautiful bay. Our boat's anchored out there. We can almost see her. But yeah, it's such a pretty place.
It's crazy windy up here. Should we go to the beach?
Yeah, we should go to the beach. Let's go, guys.
Go to the beach.
Moving on.
For leaving the big Buddha and heading down to the beach, we'll use the Hyperlapse feature of the camera. Hyperlapse is like a time-lapse, except with a Hyperlapse the camera can move slightly, where a time-lapse the camera has to be positioned dead still. So first up, riding glasses, helmet, on you get Bonetta, let's go. We made it down to Kata beach, and the most important thing to bring to any beach is a big blow up pointless object. Check.
Floyd.
We've got that. His name is what?
Floyd.
As in Floyd the Flamingo.
Pink Floyd.
Pink Floyd the Flamingo. There you go, mate. So the DJI Osmo Action is waterproof up to 11 meters without a housing. And so we're gonna take Floyd out for a swim and test this out. Ready, mate? Nothing like a frantic run to the beach. Let's film Bonita in slow motion. Waterproof, they say. Let's test it out. Still working, buddy?
You're only using the standard settings for what we're doing today, so we're literally clicking the side button, selecting time-lapse or selecting hyperlapse and recording. There's a lot of other functions and adjustments that you can make, but we're just going straight in with the standard and that's what we're filming with, so it's really easy. We're at a really busy roundabout and I thought it'd be a really sweet spot to do an actual time-lapse, so a standard time-lapse. All right, so I'm gonna set it up and show you a time lapse.
Well, legends, it was awesome taking you guys around the island of Phuket, and we're pretty stoked to have been given the opportunity to test out this bad boy.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed some of the features that we showed you about this camera. If you are interested in getting your hands on one of these, there's a link in our description below.
Be sure to use that link because we earn ourselves a couple of bucks. So get the camera through that link.
If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we are sailing our 40-foot boat around the world and taking our audience along with us. So if that's something that sounds pretty cool to you, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next Nandji episode.
Thanks, guys.
Catch you, legends.
Bye.